Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, April 23rd, 2021. It is Fun Fact Friday. And here's your fun fact for today. Ants are the longest living of all insects, and they can live for up to 30 years. Wow, that's a really long time. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having a breakfast sandwich with, and for lunch we'll have chicken nuggets and tater tots. Monday, for breakfast we'll have a chicken biscuit, and for lunch will be a deli sandwich. We have one birthday today, so happy birthday to Ron McDonald. Some announcements. PLP evidence. Every certified teacher must have 2 pieces of evidence added to your indicator before the summative evaluation conference. Make sure that you have chosen a date and signed up for those conferences in the email that Ms. Linscomb sent. Also, if you need help with setting up your authentication from the email that you received yesterday or day before, please let Ms. Gibbs or Ms. Smith know, and we are happy to help you. It's pretty quick and fairly painless, and we're happy to help. Today's late duty is Ms. Curd. Important dates. On Monday, we were having a faculty meeting, so make sure that you have made plans to attend that. April 30th, the window for the summative testing is ending, and we will have Feel Good Friday. Thankfully, we have almost all of our testing wrapped up, and we are complete with that, so that's very exciting around here. May 3rd through the 27th is our iReady Third Diagnostic. May 5th through the 9th is our Teacher Appreciation Week. May 5th, Candace Tracy will be in-house to do some training. May 6th is Nurse Appreciation Day. May 10th is Faculty Meeting. May 25th is our 5th grade transition programs at 9 and 10 a.m. May 25th is we're going to have an end of the year celebrations. May 26th is the last day for students, and May 28th is the last day for teachers. We have one shout out today. I want to give a big, huge shout out to the KSE students. Thank you so much for my awesome banner. Miss Linscomb and Miss Winter and several other teachers delivered it to my house yesterday, and Miss Wilborn even brought her horse. Thank you so much for my awesome banner. I loved it a lot. I appreciate all of you awesome students, and thank you so much. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.